All right, I noticed that when I was grading some of your quizzes, we're setting up the proportion incorrectly. So I just wanted to talk to you about this type of problem. So if you got any wrong on your last quiz, I'm going to show you how to fix that for your test. So in this problem, we have our given angle here, which means this is opposite, and this is your hypotenuse. So remember our saying, SOHCAHTOA. And in this case, we're going to be using the sine function. And so sine means that we are going to use opposite and hypotenuse. That means like when we make the fraction, the opposite side will go on the top of the fraction and the hypotenuse will go on the bottom of the fraction. So it should look like this: sine, and then we'll have a 28. And we are then going to put in the side that has the opposite, which is 17, and this side here, which is an unknown. Now, what I noticed, and especially like you can see this person's answer is wrong, and it's wrong because what happened is that they set it up like this. So x is not always necessarily on the top. So I think there's a little bit of confusion about that part. So in this case, this is a two-step equation because the sine is going to eventually get multiplied by the x, and so we're going to have an extra step of division before we get our answer. So let's go ahead and see what the sine of 28 is. It's 0.469, so I'm going to round that to the nearest hundredth. 0.47 is equal to 17 over 1. X. This will be over 1. And then here's where we're going to cross multiply. We're going to take these two and multiply, and then we're going to take these two and multiply, and that's how we're going to get our equation. So it's going to be 0.47x is equal to 17. Then we have to divide to get rid of the 0.47, and we get 17 divided by 0.47, which comes out to be rounded to the nearest hundredth, 36.2. Yep. So it wouldn't have this on it there, but your final answer then is 36.2.